In previous videos, we demonstrated how to define baggage schemas to transform models between BPMN pools and lanes in organization chart. This time, we try to perform transformation from BPMN tasks into use cases. We first create a simple business process diagram to describe what need to be handled in the transformation. Select blank diagram. Name it as BPMN to use case schema. Create a pool in the diagram and put a task into it. Create another pool. This time add a lane and a task to it. Right-click on the blank area of the diagram and select Utilities, Transformation, define baggage schema, new schema. Name the schema as BPMN. Select the pool and lane, which should be transformed into actor in use case model. But to avoid the pool which containing lanes also being transformed into actor, we add a condition to pool so that we can control this during transformation. Click on the condition button of the pool. Select participant property. With operator not equal, leave the value empty. This means the transformation on the pool will perform only if the pool contain participant property being defined. Now select the task contained by the pool and select both containment relationships related to the task. The definition of BPMN schema is done. Press the cross button at top right to close the schema editor. Let's create the schema for use cases. Create a blank use case diagram. Name it as use case schema. This one is relatively simple. We just create an actor which link to use case. Right-click on the blank area of the use case diagram to create the baggage schema. Name the schema as use case. Select the actor, use case, and the relationship between them, and then close the schema editor. Now both schemas are ready. We can create a real model to perform transformation. Create a new business process diagram. We choose the as-is process for purchase order process example. Right-click on the blank area of the diagram and select Utilities, Transformation, transform this diagram. Create a new transformation. Select Use Case Diagram as the target. By default it will automatically select the newly created use case schema. We now define the transformation mapping between the business process diagram and use case diagram. Map both pool and lane to actor. Then map the task to use case. Finally map both containment relationships to association. Save the transformation setting. Select Fit Shapes Size, and press Transform to New Diagram button to create the use case diagram. Now the use case diagram is being created, with the lane become the actor, and the tasks inside the lane become its use cases. We can perform auto layout on the diagram to make it looks nicer. Right-click on the diagram and select Layout, Customized. Choose the tree layout, with direction from left to right. Press OK to proceed. Now the use case diagram looks more makes sense. As you can see, the customer pool do not generate it as actor. This is because the pool do not contain any task. Therefore no use case will be generated for it. In this case, we simply don't define its participant property to avoid it being generated as actor. Let's modify the original business process diagram. We add some space between ship goods and the end event. Press the split resource in sequence flow to insert a new task. Name it as follow-up customer. Perform transformation again. Select the BPMN to use case transformation. Press transform to existing diagram, and select the one generated from previous transformation. Lay out the diagram again. The diagram is being updated with a new use case generated from the newly created task. Hope you will found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.